Much love. Sorry.
What up, man? Are we? No.
How's it? 1, 2. How's it going, Sac City? Woo! Cool. Thank you so much for Hope for inviting me here today and do a little something for you guys. Let me go ahead and turn this one on. Yeah, my name is Proto-J, also known, well, my name is Joshua King, also known as Proto-J. I'm actually here from Sacramento, so you can go ahead and play a little bit for us real quick. So again, yeah, my name is Joshua King, also known as Proto-J, and I actually live here in Sacramento, and just very blessed to be out here and honored to be out here. And I'm about to sing this new song, my latest single. It's called All For You, and then the album called Outside the Box. It should be out in iTunes December 26th. So again, it's called All For You, and give it up for lovely Yami right here. She's my guitar player right here. So let me get something like this. Perfect. Stop. Rain, it's not too late. I'll give back all of my time that's spent with you. Run, I'll never stop. Sky high, climbing the highest mountainside. And to the top we're meant to be. And I'll swim across the open water sea. All for you. You have my promise, will love you till this day. Oh, I'll make sure you feel alright, 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 yeah. Take my time, yeah. Make you my only babe, I do it all for you, Time stops from the beginning. And I won't be lonely. Sun down, still shining bright. With you, you fully complete me, it's true. And to the top we're meant to be. And I swim across the open water sea.